This video I'll be showing you in detail how to install the low reverse piston in a 4L60E. Grab your piston, remove the seals. There's 1, 2, 3. Install new seals. There's a small one on the inner and 2 outers. Come on like that. And let me grab this. This is ready to go in. Go ahead and lube up all the sides where the seals will be making contact. And you can see right here you have a notch at about the 9 o'clock position. That lines up with this notch right here. Let's install the piston. Just line that notch up. Move the piston back and forth to make sure you're in that notch. Once you're in that notch, what I do is I get a long screwdriver and a hammer and just work it around in a circle, just gently tapping it down. You can hear it hit home. Now you're ready to install your spring and snap ring. I usually set them both down in there so it's not in the way of the tool. Install your tool. This compresses the snap ring, or compresses the spring down so you get your snap ring in. When you're tightening this down, you want to make sure that spring doesn't catch in that snap ring groove. Springs down, install the snap ring. Okay, it's seated all the way in. Remove your tool. Now you're ready to air check it. This will tell you if you pinch the seal upon install. And I'll show you. Let me show you. So, there's a hole right here. Doing this one hand, it's hard to keep pressure on it, but. And one right here. I've already removed the check ball here. And that's pretty good. It's pretty good.